Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Over the last couple days, I have been lightening and toning my hair. I don't know what possessed me to go ahead and do blonde again, but here we are, and I filmed everything for you guys. So the key products used were in the thumbnail of this video. Maybe you're here because you're interested to see how one of those works, so stay tuned because you'll be seeing and hearing from me, and I'm just gonna go through the process with you guys. This is not like the end goal or anything, but this is what I've been up to, and this is me going blonde from dark brown / purple. Okay, I hope you guys like this video. Alright guys, so here I am with my starting hair. This is where we're starting. Dark brown, purple money piece. You can see towards my roots the hair is darker brown because that's my grow out. Here's my lovely Sally's bag and my Shimmer Lights bleach powder. I also grabbed 40 volume developer from Ultra Bond, and that hair mask you seen, that's gonna come in handy later. But anyways, this is what the Shimmer Lights bleach looks like inside. Has a little scoop. The scoop measures out to be about ½ ounce when it's almost at the top. Then I'm gonna try and section my hair. This is really not my strong point. I have thick wavy hair, so, and I never was taught how to section it, so you know, I try my best. So I have 4 sections, 2 top, 2 bottom, and then I'm going and doing a couple scoops, and the developer to powder ratio is 1 bleach powder, 2 developer, and I measure in ounces. And then I went ahead and started with the back right side first and just went in with my handy dandy little brush. Now remember, the Shimmer Lights bleach powder is like purplish blue, and the whole point of it is to try and avoid brass, much like the Shimmer Lights purple shampoo, kind of catering to the blondes. So yeah, I'm just applying that the best I can with my gloves on and using my brush. Now I know everyone always tells me, why are you starting with the roots? My roots are the darkest part of my hair right now, and it's kind of just a habit of mine. So please don't come for me. I'm aware that you're not technically supposed to start with the roots because they do die faster, or whatever you call it. So once I'm done with the section, I'll try and just clip it up or wrap it back up in a ponytail holder so that I can go on to the next section. So now I'm doing the top, front, clipping it up, and moving on to the left side. And there we go. My hair is all clipped up. I'm gonna go get my hair cap, and I actually only ended up leaving this on from when I put the hair cap on, not even 15 minutes. I just felt it was time to rinse it out. Didn't want to take a gamble here, so I'm letting my hair down. You can see it's kind of like a light brown, and I went ahead and rinsed that. And yeah, you can see I did end up using this conditioning treatment that I had left over from the Pureplex bleach kit I did. If you didn't see that video, I will link it below. So I'm just doing the treatment, and this is how it looked when it was all dry. It is dry and a little frizzy towards the ends. I'm not mad at the light brown color because I'd rather light brown than like a yellow. But don't get me wrong, there are some yellow spots, and I did actually miss some patches in the back. Yeah, it was really bad, so I was going to try my best to fix it the next day. But that night, I went to Sally's, and I did what a girl's gotta do. I grabbed another bottle of developer. This time I got Wella. So I grabbed Wella 40 volume developer, I've always trusted and liked Wella. So this is that hair mask that I flashed at you guys in the beginning. It's called Sauce. It's from Sally's. The cashier or the sales associate talked me into getting it, and I was kind of annoyed that I got it just because she like was persistent. But actually, guys, this was amazing. How soft it left my hair feeling. It was so bomb. Like, I could not have gotten a better hair mask. That was amazing. Now the next day, you can see my hair is going to look a lot less frizzy, and it's going to look more soft and silky because the mask really did work wonders. But it's time to do round 2 of bleaching. So this time, as I'm sectioning, I'm kind of leaving alone the front part or the money piece of my hair because it was already so blonde. So I'm pretty much doing the back of my hair and trying to make like 3 or 4 sections going down my head. Yeah, sectioning again, I have a hard time with it. So here I'm doing the second one. You can see I have that one really bad dark brown patch, but I'm gonna try my best to fix it, so bear with me. Third section, and then the fourth section at the bottom I just left down. So I'm taking my developer, my powder. The developer was only 3.6 ounces, so I did a little over 1.5 ounces of bleach powder. And I did add the very end of my Ultra Bond developer because I wanted a less thick formula to work with, I guess. I thought it would be helpful if it was a little more watery, but not watery. Yeah, it's really late and I'm tired, so I don't know what I'm saying right now. But yeah, I went ahead and I did, I was trying to touch up a patch on my sideburn, a dark patch. But so I went ahead, started at the bottom of the back and did each section the best that I could. Really tried to go over everything. I was over having patches and stuff like that, so you can see me trying my very hardest here. And then once I would finish, I would just twist it up and put a clip in. So now I'm at the top section. Okay, that looks a little crazy. And we're about to get to the sad part where I run out of product. I did have more Shimmer Lights bleach powder, but that little developer from Wella just wasn't gonna cut it. So as I'm at the left side of my top layer, I'm running out of bleach here, and I'm trying my absolute best to kind of spread it and make it go as far as I can, but a girl can only do so much. I searched for any ounce of developer I might have anywhere that I forgot about, and I couldn't find any. So this top piece of my hair was a struggle and went mostly uncolored, unlightened. But I had to just move forward. I had to push on. I left it on after putting the hair cap on. I came back about 13 minutes later this time. I didn't want to push it. I felt some burning. So speaking of Shimmer Lights, I have the shampoo and I'm dousing my head in it right now to try and neutralize any brassiness the absolute best I can for the final result of this look. And see that, and I used what I had left of the sauce mask, and it wasn't a lot, unfortunately, but here we are after that when it's all dried. It's a little bit lighter, okay? You can see it's a little bit more golden now as opposed to light brown. It's the back, and the hair, it's not perfect, but it does look better in terms of patches. So now we finally get to try this product, the Kristin S In Shower Toning Gloss. Now, I seen this at Target a couple times, decided to get it. It's about $15, I want to say. So it's a simple kit. It comes with just 2 products that you mix together and then you're good to go. This is me realizing that my hair had to be wet in order to start the application process. So once I realized I need to wet my hair, I went ahead and did that. And then I started applying it. So this stuff, easy, very easy application process. Tried to douse my head in it, and there was a lot of product to work with. So even after I, spread it throughout my hair, I was able to keep saturating my head in it because there was that much there that I could just keep going. I wanted to pretty much use it all, not waste any. This is what it looked like. It had like a pinkish tint to it once the ingredients were activated. Okay guys, here I am with the final result. My setup is like, nothing is stable right now. So first of all, I'm happy with how everything went, for the simple fact that my hair is okay. Like, I did not lose a lot of hair. I have a lot of brassiness still, but this is just something I have to use purple shampoo and deal with for a while, because I do not plan on bleaching again for like 3 months. The only thing I will use is Wella T18. The last product I used, the toner, I'm not mad because that was for like platinum hair. That was for already very light hair. So some of my pieces are light. I didn't really see much difference from that toner. I don't really see much difference from that toner, even on my lightest hair, or glossiness for that matter, because it's supposed to be a toning gloss. But overall, like, I'm not super disappointed or anything. I kind of know, I've done this enough times that I kind of know how it goes and how it can be a very long, tedious process. But this is where I'm at right now, and what I'll have to work with for the next few months. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this wasn't a total train wreck. I think I am picking up on more tips and tricks the more I do this. Yeah, leave me a comment, subscribe. I will see you guys next time.